Pacific Life Calculator. The Pacific Life Calculator is an online tool that helps individuals estimate the cost and benefits of life insurance, annuities, and retirement planning products. By using this calculator, users can explore different coverage options, assess potential investment growth, and plan for their financial future. Pacific Life offers multiple calculators designed to help customers make informed decisions about their insurance and retirement needs. 1. What is the Pacific Life Calculator? The Pacific Life Calculator is a digital tool that provides personalized financial estimates for life insurance policies, annuities, and retirement savings. It allows users to input financial details and receive projected costs and benefits based on their selections. 2. How to use the Pacific Life Calculator. Step 1. Visit the Pacific Life website and locate the calculator tool. Step 2. Choose the type of calculation you need, like life insurance premium estimate, annuity payout, or retirement savings projection. Step 3. Enter personal and financial details such as age, income, investment amount, and coverage preference. Step 4. The calculator processes your information and generates an estimated result. Step 5. Review the estimate. Adjust coverage levels as needed, and use the results to guide financial planning. Third, types of calculators available. Pacific Life offers various calculators including life insurance premium estimators, annuity income calculators, and retirement savings planners. These tools help users explore different financial scenarios and choose the best coverage or investment option for their goals. 4. Benefits of using the Pacific Life Calculator. The calculator provides quick and convenient financial projections, allowing users to compare different policies and saving strategies without speaking to an advisor. It helps individuals budget effectively, understand long-term financial commitments, and make informed insurance and investment decisions. 5. Limitations of the Pacific Life Calculator. While the calculator provides helpful estimates, actual costs and benefits may vary based on underwriting reviews, market conditions, and policy terms. Users should consult a financial advisor to get a more accurate and personalized financial plan. The Pacific Life Calculator is a valuable tool for individuals looking to estimate life insurance costs, retirement savings, and annuity benefits before making financial commitments. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.